everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, I will be reviewing this ViewSonic M1 Mini Plus Projector. In here, it comes with the projector, of course, and I think like wires right here, along with a remote control. It's very tiny. It basically fits my palm. So let me look at the manual. I forgot to show you guys, it comes with the different palettes, so you can change the colors on your projector. You can match your outfit, you know. Let's read the manual. Step 1, you get all of your supplies or resources, materials, whatever they're called. Next, you turn it on. So to turn it on, you just flick this on. Oh, and then you plug it in. Okay, hang on. I think maybe you're supposed to charge it. Oh, so this can also be like a speaker or Bluetooth speaker. Maybe if you're going to a party and you need to be the DJ, just play it with this thing. Step 5 is you just adjust where you want it to be showing. Okay, so it works. Should I just try projecting it onto this thing? Or is that too far? Okay, give me a second. So it is the next day, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I figured it out. First, here's the power switch. Here is the HDMI plug to charge it in manually. And here, this is where you can adjust where you want the projector to project. So first things first, we're gonna turn on the projector. Then you can turn off the lights, so that when you project it, you can actually see it. After I turned it on, it just takes a while to load. It will show this screen right here. I already showed you guys the remote, but it's basically just the basic controllers. So basically, you have to make sure that you point the remote control to the projector, not at the screen, because it won't respond if you point it at the screen. Once you've done that, you can go to the basic settings and you can change the setting to the angle you want to project it at, or I think it's called the keystone. You could either change it manually or auto change it so that it is a perfect rectangle. Next, turn it to the screen mirroring mode, and then you can go on to your Google Home app and download the ViewSonic projector device. And so you can connect it and then go to YouTube and then just choose the video you want to cast or project. And then there will be a cast button on the top of the screen. But basically you go there and you push your projector name. So it'll load and then it will show like ready to watch. So then you just push play. And then to disconnect it, you just push that same cast button and you push disconnect. To turn off the projector, you just flick the power switch and you turn it off. After that, you're done and you can just pack up the projector. Hello guys, it is the next day. I was just gonna explain how I felt about this projector. So first off, it took me like 3 days to figure out how to set it up because I literally am so bad at using technology, it's not even funny. It's like, I didn't even know how to cut Control X until today because my friend like helped me. Anyways, while I was trying to figure it out, I was like really frustrated because it wouldn't work because I forgot to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So your projector actually has to connect to the same Wi-Fi your device does so that you're able to actually cast it. I think it was a very good projector. The lighting and the colors were amazing and it was also pretty easy to set up, but you can't project it from too low of a surface or ground because it can only go and project flat to a certain amount. Try to make it level so that you have an even better resolution. And on the knob on the left side, you can control the resolution to make it more clear or more blurry if you want. I mean, like, why would you want to do that? Anyways, I would say it is definitely a get to, because it's very small, it's compact, and it can also play as Bluetooth speakers, which you would have to go to Bluetooth and connect it to the speaker because it's called Bluetooth. Hi guys, so I'm just going to be doing the outro here because while I was editing this, I saw that I didn't really do a proper outro, and also I'm using my mom's phone, so the resolution and lighting is much better. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye!